Hi everyone, welcome to part 2 of my new school supplies drawing series. Today we are going to draw a pencil, so let's start. Here I use a ruler. It may be so much easy with ruler. If you like, you can use your hand also. Like this, I draw two lines and here also I add middle of the pencil I add three lines like this, and here in this place also I use a ruler like this, and few lines I add. So we finish our pencil drawing. This is so much easy, and let's color it. You can use any colors. Firstly I use red color as a deep layer. With these three lines I use red color in two lines like this. In the corner lines, in middle line I use yellow color. This one also has a deep layer, and here I use brown color somewhat, deep layer to light layer, and orange color, this one I use deep layer all over there, and here black color. If you like, you can use gray color also. In this place I add black color as somewhat lines and white color. Here I use light blue as a deep layer all over there. If you like, you can use red color also. So we finish our pencil drawing. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for being with me.